Hello everyone, we group number 9 will be presenting you all on Saving Exchange Bank. My name is Sangilamo and I will be the first presenter. Saving Bank is a financial institution that is licensed to accept checking and saving deposits and making loans. Bank also provide related services such as individual retirement account, certificate of deposit, currency exchange and safe deposit boxes. Now the functions of saving bank. Function number 1 is it channels the saving of individual who wishes to consume less than their income to borrow who wishes to spend more. Except for the commercial bank, this institution do not accept demand deposit. They assemble the capital of the community, conserve the idle wealth, and having aggregated into seizable funds, loan it to its business enterprise. They promote theft more than any other financial institutions. Now, the regulatory obligation. Saving bank must also consistently integrate stricter regulatory requirement into their management process. The professional implementation of supervisory requirement is a basic and can minimize the need for additional capital requirement for saving bank. Now, sources of revenue. The primary source of income for saving bank are the difference between the integrated change from the borrowers and interest paid to the depositors. Rules and responsibility of saving bank. Saving bank gathers savings, paying interest to dividend to savers. It channels the saving of individual who wishes to consume less than their income and to borrower who wishes to spend more. Finally, problems being solved by saving banks are security of fund, higher liquidity. The relationship between economic growth and saving is important consideration.
To continue about the saving banks, the example of a saving bank in the international market. Saving Bank Finance Group of Germany is not a consolidated group. It comprises approximately 600 independent companies with 360,000 employees and with an aggregate business volume of approximately European dollar 3,250 billion. The functions are a business model and a legal form which ensures the supply of banking services to a wider public, a focus on the regional economy rooted in the business model and in the so-called as regional principle. Like all the credit institutions in Germany, saving banks are subjected to the federal legislation and require a banking license. They are also subjected to the general banking supervision. Traditional retail business is the primary source of earning for the saving bank as they are broadly positioned through the private customer and business customer segments. The overall role of saving bank is to ensure open and accessible quality financial services for the local private customers, and the problem solved are supporting the German economy through tax.
Hello everyone, I am Pemadiki and I'll be talking about exchange banks. To talk about the background, the primary focus of exchange banks is on funding international trade. The primary duties of an exchange bank include money transfers between nations, the devaluation of foreign currency, assistance with export and import operations, etc. Exchange banks provide a wide range of banking and currency exchange solutions to a specific audience. With the functions: 1. Providing finance to exports. If you're in exporting business, you will need financial assistance regarding payments for your exported goods. 2. Providing finance to imports. Just like the exporters, the importers will also need support from the exchange banks. 3. Providing financial services to internal trades. What the bank does here is that they provide advance loans to traders and discount their bills of exchange. The regulatory obligations are: 1. Licensing. 2. Capital requirements. 3. Corporate governance requirements. Sources of revenue. The primary sources of income are that they buy foreign currency at low rate and sell at a higher rate. Exchange banks solve the problems like globalized marketplace, flexibility, and full transparency. Thank you.
My name is Renzo Doche and my enrollment number is 275, and I'm going to talk about examples of an exchange bank. Example of an exchange bank is Bank of American Corporation. Background: Bank of American Corporation is a multinational financial services company that operates as an exchange bank, among other things. Functions: Number 1. Currency exchange. Number 2. International money transfer. Number 3. Foreign currency account. Number 4. Foreign currency loans and credit card. Number 5. International trade finance. Regulatory obligation. Number 1. Anti-money laundering regulation. Number 2. Know your customers requirement. Number 3, Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. Number 3, Sanctions Compliance. And number 5, Consumer Protection Regulation. Now sources of revenue. Number 1, foreign exchange trading. Number 2, transaction fees. Number 3, interest income. And number 4, tax finance. And number 5, advisory services. Now roles and responsibilities. Number 1, foreign exchange trading. Number 2, international wire transfer. Number 3, foreign currency account. Number 4, foreign currency loans and credit card. And number 5, international trade finance. Problem solved. Number 1, currency conversions. And number 2, international money transfer. Number 3, foreign exchange risks. And number 4 is compliance with regulations. Thank you.